gonna go to Burlington right now. Check out their jerseys and shoes. Ooh, I see some Pumas. Some Pumas here. How much are these? $36.99. Puma. There's another pair. What size are those? Size 8. Here's soft foam. $36.99. Kind of like Converse there. $26.99. Yeah, it's Converse. Converse All-Star. There's some more Pumas. $30. Check out these Pumas. See, I'm just getting into looking at the shoes. I don't know exactly like what they're called, or this is the only way you can learn is get out and look at them. There's some more Tech Light Columbia. I have never heard of these. $29.99. This is Pumas. Check these out. Samoa. Oh, that's Adidas. Is there a number in here? Adidas should have a number, right? We can check the code. I think we checked Adidas before, didn't we? How much are those? Oh, let's see. There's got to be an art number. Or... Okay, I'm gonna check these real quick, guys. There's some more Puma, women's Puma here. There's some more Converse. $29.99. I had never heard of that brand. US Polo, $19.99. There's some more Adidas, $34.99. Some more here. Is this Adidas here? No, I'm not sure what that is. $37.99. What size is that? It's like 6 or 9. Okay, that's the women's shoes we checked out.
I didn't see one.
Okay, there's the men's shoes over there. But first, we are going to go check out, see if they have any jerseys here. Then again, maybe not. There's Nike soccer. I'm just looking for like NBA jersey or NFL jersey. What's this one? Oh. There's Boise State football. That's a shirt though. Kind of feels like a jersey though. This one, $40. So Seahawks. Adidas. Haven't found any jerseys like of professional teams. This is San Diego Padres. There's a Seahawks hoodie, sweatshirt. How much is that? Let's see. See a lot of soccer. I don't know much about. Oh, wait a minute, Umbro. How much is this one? $6. Adidas. Oh, that's nice. Giants. That's my team too. That's really nice. How much is that? Let's see. That is $20. What's the retail on it? I actually like this thing. This is nice, Mom. I actually like this. That's my team too.
Oh.
Let's see. It's $20, but I was going to see if they had the retail price on here anywhere. This is Major League Baseball. I don't know if it'd sell for much more than that on eBay. 20. Do they have a UPC code on here? I'm gonna check it out. Nike, USA. I don't see any here at all. See these other videos on YouTube and these guys. There's tons of them, but this one doesn't have anything. Nothing. I haven't found one jersey or found the Giants jersey, but. No, this has got to be it, Mom, because the jerseys are here. See, there's a Seahawks sweatshirt. Huh? Yeah. I was just trying to see if they had like a LeBron James jersey or anything. There's nothing here with this one. Kind of struck out on this one. Unless, like she said, they could be hiding somewhere else. So I don't know. I did not see any. I might ask a worker. Oh, these are kind of like jerseys. No players though. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna ask. Okay, now we're at the men's shoes. These are pretty sweet. How much are those? No price on them. $2.11. Check these out right here. Which ones are these? It's cleats. How much are they? There's not any prices on them though. VPRs. Nike Mercurial. What size are these? 9. Those are 9s right there. Oh, here's some Converse. What's that? Mom, they have 2 of them. What size are these? Are they still the same price? $29.99. Yeah. Those are blue Miracles. Are those Miracles? Yeah, Miracle. Nike. Regular shoes. Here's some. It's $49.99. RBX. Here's RBX, $19.99. Oh, here's a clearance rack here. Here's some Nike cleats. Hurricane? Is that what the name of them? I have never heard of those. $16.99 for. What brand is this? Marquette Grill. Oh, that's Guess. Skechers. See, oh, there's some Nikes right there. You found, huh?
Check these out.
Okay, we'll check these out. I'll reach out, really?
No, the retail is 120.
For those?
Mm-hmm.
I found this one, the Nike $29.99. What'd you see the retail on it?
Right here.
Retail $120.
That's good.
There's flat rats, cleats. Wow, there's a lot of empty shelves here. Check out these ones here. Those are pretty nice. $36.99. That's Puma. Puma there. I'm seeing all kinds of different kind of brands of shoes that I didn't really even know were. And the styles are really a lot of styles in here. Is that Puma right there? Yeah, no, Puma. Those are nice right here, Mom. Too. I'll check these as well. These are really nice. These are pretty cool. Let's see. Oh,
What is this?
that's at cleats, isn't it?
Or is it
What size are they?
10 and a half?
10 and a half. Okay, I'll check them. I checked these here. There's a few on eBay selling for 106, but none have sold, so we'll wait on those. Check these out. Nike cleats. Some more Nike here. Those are pretty sweet. $49.99. Okay, we're back at the house, and this is what we got at Burlington. We got a pair of Nike Mercurial Superflies. Superfly indoor soccer, size 9. Got it for $29.99 at Burlington. Really nice looking shoe. Soles look really nice. And size 9 is a good size to have. One of them sold for $29.99 plus $9.99 shipping on eBay, but that was a size 12. Those don't sell as well, but the prime size, after doing some research on other sellers, you know, guys on YouTube and stuff, size 9 is a good one to get. So we went ahead and got that. So I'm going to show you the rest of them here real quick. The next pair we got are these. They are the Nike Lunareptic Low Flyknit women's running shoes. And we got these for $29.99 also. We've seen some on eBay here. They're asking $54. And these are a size, what size are these? 6 medium. Really nice looking shoes. So yep, that's another pair we picked up. So here's the last pair that we got, size 7. And these are Adidas Originals Women's Samoa Rose Gold Ice Pink, size 7. We got these for $17.99. Got a cool color to them. So we got those, these, and these. So this is what we got at Burlington today. So we got two Nikes, a pair of Nikes and a pair of Adidas. So not a bad haul. Nice looking shoes. The last time we went, we mainly got cleats, but today we got just regular shoes. So anyway, we'll go back and check again maybe in a couple weeks. Next time we may go to Ross and stuff. So, but yep, that's what we got today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like our videos. Thank you so much.